Just wanna see the light.
We have been waiting along for our first code on Unity3d and it's time to move on. In this lecture, we'll start coding and making our first code to run through Unity3d. Let's open Unity3d. We'll start from very beginning. Click on New to create our first project. Give a suitable project name for your game. For now, I'll give my project name first code and I will not mess other thing here. We'll discuss it later on. Click on create project. Unity will take time to import all stock or asset for the first time. You can see Unity updater for informing us to update on latest version of the Unity3d. For now, I'll skip it. This is the scene view where we will design whole our 3D or 2D game. Currently, we have main camera and directional light. It contains scene folder on asset. Here we can save our whole scene while making games. For now, we will start coding by inserting C# script on Unity3d. Right click on any empty area of asset. Click on create and choose C# script. Rename it to sample code. Now we have created a C# script file. Double click on sample code to open the code editor on Visual Studio. Here some of the code are pre-written and we will not mess it. We just write our piece of code inside start. Let us save our code and close Visual Studio. Now our code is ready to perform the action. Now before our code to be run or to perform any action, it must be attached to any of the game object we have. Currently we have main camera and directional light, so you can attach any of them to run your code. I prefer main camera, so drag the C# sample code script file to the main camera to attach our code. Now while selecting main camera, at the inspector panel we can see that our sample code is attached there. Now let's run our code. And see on console panel, we can see it's working. If you have any question and difficulties, comment below. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next lecture.